What is up, you guys? Max back here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to program your garage door opener on your C8 Corvette. I'm going to be using my 2022 as an example, but this will work for your 2020s and 2021s as well as future years, as long as no drastic changes are made to the system. I assume it will work. But the first step you're going to want to do is go inside your garage and then pull this down. What you're doing is gaining access to the button I'm pointing to. That is the learn button. That's the only button that's going to be really important here later on in the video. And you're also going to be needing a separate garage door opener that's already connected. So I can make a separate video on how to connect this. It's super easy, but hopefully you already have that. And then you want to put it next to your Corvette garage door opener. And then you're going to see three buttons, and you're going to want to hold the left and right buttons down until you see a flashing red sign on the home icon above that middle button. So that should take a few seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds of holding until you see the flashing. And then after that, you want to press your desired button. So I'm choosing the middle button, the one you're going to want to open your garage door with for the rest of time, theoretically. And then you want to hold down the garage door opener that we put next to the garage door opener for the Corvette. So you're holding them both down until it opens your garage, or if it closes, depending on how you do it. So you wait for it to open in my case, and then I'm going to go inside the garage here, and then I'm going to go back to where we exposed that button, and then you don't hold it, you just want to give it a light tap. So this is what's going to allow the garage system to learn the button you picked. So you want to just tap it. After that, you can go back to your car. And then for me, it actually took 2 tries. I'm not sure if this is normal. I was just sort of doing some experimenting to try to figure this out. But once you do that, you'll see it took 2 tries. I click it once, and the first time it doesn't work. And then I wait a second, and then I click it again, and then the garage door does shut at this point. So you can see it does actually work. And then I'm going to give it a second here, and I'm going to click it again and show you that it does open. So, and I haven't had any problems since. So it's been super nice. So I'm going to go up here and click it again, and you can see my garage door opening. So pretty flawless. It's pretty easy to do. I know the instructions can be a little confusing, but I got the job done, and hopefully you guys can learn something if you guys were struggling as well. And if you did enjoy the video, please like the video. It would mean a lot. And then for future C8 content, you can go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in that. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.